Hey everyone! If you just want to grab something from model space and throw it onto your layout sheet, the Windows clipboard is all you need. In 2026, this is still the fastest way to move title blocks or notes. Today, I'm showing you the base point trick to make sure your paste is perfectly accurate. Let's get it done. Step 1. Copy with base point. In model space, select your objects. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus C. This is Copy with Base Point. AutoCAD will ask you to specify base point. Click a corner or a specific intersection you know well. This gives you a handle to hold the objects by. Step 2. Switch to Layout. Click on your Layout tab at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you are in Paper Space. Double-click outside any viewports to be safe. If your cursor can move freely across the whole sheet, you're ready. Step 3. Paste and place. Now press Ctrl-V. Your objects will appear attached to your cursor at the exact base point you picked earlier. Move your mouse to where you want them on the paper and click once to drop them. They are now officially part of the layout. Step 4. Fix the scale, if needed. Because model space and paper space use different units, your objects might look tiny or huge. Select the objects you just pasted. Type Scale and hit Enter. Click your base point again and type in a scale factor like 0.01 or 12 to make them fit your sheet size perfectly. Step 5. Cleanup. Now that your objects are on the sheet, you can move them, rotate them, or edit them without affecting your original drawing in model space. It's a clean, separate copy for your presentation. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.